Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. So again, I'm back with some Tips news. So today's video is all about how to look glam with less makeup, or how I personally glam myself with less makeup. So without wasting time, let's do it. So fixing my hair. There's right now one thing in my face right now, super clean, natural. So first of all, I'm going to putting this moisturizer. So that's right. Now I'm going to put this one concealer. Pro concealer. I don't have too much dark circles, so I'm just putting a little bit of on my eye area. A little bit on my cheek. Little bit on my forehead. Just cover this small spots. Little bit on my nose area. On the chin. And I'm going to blend this concealer with this beauty blender. I'm going to put with this half a finger. Okay, so now I'm going to put this lotus powder. And this is our compact powder. Done. Now I'm going to make my eyebrows. Here is the small mirror. मैं कुछ करूँ या ना करूँ, बट मैं आईब्रोज मेक जरूर करती हूँ. ये आप आईब्रोज में कर लेते हो तो ऑलरेडी ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफाइन वाला लुक रहता है, इसमें ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Now I'm going to just brush these eyebrows just to give natural look. Then, as now I have this one lipstick, and I'm going to put just with the help of my finger on my cheek area. Just give pinkish plus. And one. Now on my chin, little bit on my chin. My nose. And then I'm going to same thing on the eye. Now another one. Done. Now I'm putting this lip liner. Done. Now what I'm going to do is same thing, and with the help of this lip liner, I'm going to put on my eye. Just give eyeliner kind of look. See, like this. It's amazing, no? And same, I'm going to the next one. It just looks like red eyeliner. Alright, so now the same thing I'm going to do here on my lower line. Little bit of. And now I'm going to call my lashes. Now I'm putting this mascara, Bold from Blue Heaven. Done. Now I'm going to put this highlighter, little bit of highlighter, change it on my cheekbone here. Nose, chin, little bit here, little bit on my this beauty ball. Then okay, so now this one, Vaseline on my lip. just giving natural color. Spot like this. Then now I'm putting this in top. Putting this ring. I don't know why. I always put ring. There is always ring on my hand. मैं जब भी कहीं भी जाती हूँ तो मैं hand में ring जरूर because I like it. Okay, so let's open his hair. ये मेरा बहुत ही सिंपल सा ग्लोइंग का लुक है जो मैं फॉलो करती हूँ. तो इस प्रोडक्ट से मैं मेरे पास इतना प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता है फिर भी आप सिंपल वगैरह में ग्लोइंग लुक क्रिएट कर सकते हो इस टाइप का. I hope you guys like this home makeup. This glam look जो मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेस प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किया है. तो I hope you आप सबको पसंद आया होगा. If you did, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yes, keep loving, keep supporting and keep spreading positivity. And yes, I'll see you in the next video with some new activity and get beautiful and always take care. Bye bye.